Good afternoon, YouTube land. Sorry for it being so dark in here, but the power is out at my house. So I figured that I would spend a little bit of time and work on my four-wheeler. So ultimately what we will be doing is changing out that rear sprocket and the chain. Front sprocket is right here with the chain cover, so we will be removing that sprocket as well and putting a new one in. But first we have to remove this tire. I will tell you, I cheated already a little bit because I broke it loose. They were extremely tight, much tighter than I thought they would be. The nuts, lug nuts that is. The last thing we'll be doing, once we get this four-wheeler taken apart, I'm not going to show it back on the four-wheeler, but there is the gasket between the carburetor and the head, so the intake manifold. And we will be putting a new intake manifold on, and that is that right there. But it goes, like I said, between the intake, or between the carburetor and the head. The parts that we'll be replacing new will be front sprocket, chain, and rear sprocket. So I got these at my local cycle shop. My address is not on there, so like local cycle shop. I don't know, seemed to be a pretty good price. So we will start with pulling off this wheel. Like I said, I did cheat a little bit. When I put my drill on and attempted to take it off the first time, it twisted my wrist around because these lug nuts were on so tight. Now, I always think it's good practice to put these back on so I don't lose them. Now, a couple different things that you want to do before you try to take off the tire is, one, you either want to set the emergency brake or have somebody sitting on the four-wheeler applying the brake, or in my case, just put it in gear because my four-wheeler is so old, the emergency brake doesn't work anymore. Well, and that's how you take off a four-wheeler rear tire. Front tires, same thing. Next thing we'll be getting into, not in this video, but to remove that sprocket. I've already put some rust loosening on those nuts and bolts in there, so let that sit for a little bit and then we'll make another video. If you like my videos, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.